Click on the link below to get price. The Retekess T130S tour guide headsets are an impressive solution for those seeking to enhance group communication in various settings such as tours, lectures, and events. The first notable feature is the upgraded transmission range, which significantly improves connectivity. With a range of up to 300 meters in open areas, users can move freely without the fear of losing audio quality or connection. This extended range is ideal for larger groups or outdoor settings where typical systems may falter. Sound quality is another standout feature. The T130S boasts crystal clear audio that ensures every word is heard, even in noisy environments. The built-in microphone effectively captures the speaker's voice while minimizing background noise, allowing for a more immersive listening experience. The headset design is comfortable and lightweight, making it suitable for prolonged use without causing discomfort. The battery life is commendable. The devices can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is sufficient for most tours or events. Additionally, the quick charging feature means users can get back to full power in a short time, reducing downtime. The user-friendly interface is another positive aspect, with simple buttons that make it easy to adjust volume and switch between modes. One of the most significant advantages of the Retekess T130S is its versatility. It can accommodate various group sizes, making it suitable for everything from intimate guided tours to larger corporate events. The multiple channel options allow for seamless communication without interference, which is crucial when multiple groups are operating in proximity. However, while the headset excels in many areas, it may not be the most budget-friendly option on the market. For organizations with tight budgets, this could be a consideration. Nevertheless, the investment is justified for those requiring quality, reliability, and ease of use in their communication systems. Overall, the Retekess T130S tour guide headsets deliver excellent performance, making them an outstanding choice for anyone in need of a dependable tour guide solution.